So here is the AI time management app that's worth using right now. In this video, I'll be using Reclaim AI. So before we start, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description to try out Reclaim for free. So as you can see, we're currently in the website. Let's click on pricing on the top to view all their plans available. They offer Light, Starter, Business, and Enterprise. You can also switch between monthly and yearly plans. So you can check out their features and choose whichever plan you prefer. Now, let's go ahead and click on Login on the top. You can also book a demo or click on Get Started. But if you don't have an account, just click on my link in the description. So after login, I will select Continue with Google from here. And as you can see, I'm now logged in and in the main dashboard. We're currently in the Planner section. And here, you can view a calendar that you can customize. And then, after Planner, we have Meetings. Here, you can view different categories like Agenda, Recurring, and One-Off. So all the meetings under each of these categories will be visible. You can also use these filter options to filter through the meetings. And if you want, you can use the search bar to search for any specific meetings. This way, you can keep all your meetings and schedules organized and easy to access. You can also view your meeting schedules for the next 7 days, 14 days, and 30 days. After that, we have the scheduling section. This is where you can click on Set Slug and create links for smart scheduling. Then we have Insights. Here, all your stats and also the activities and how you're doing. It currently shows when I joined Reclaim. And also it says that we need a couple of weeks of activities in order to view it on the Insights. You can also view Reclaim Recapped. Now, let's head over to the Planner section. So here, if you click on an empty slot of the calendar, you'll be able to create a task. So let's put in a name, such as reading, then set the priority level. After that, you can set the time for this activity. So put in the start and end date and also the time. You can then set the repeat option according to your preference. You can also select all day if you want. And here on the attendees section, you can add the emails of the expected attendees. You can also choose to import the contacts from your email. And here on the video conferencing, you can connect with Google Meet or Zoom. You can set locations and also a conference room for the meeting. After that, we have this description section where you can add a description. And here, you can set a color for this activity in order to make it easy to recognize. After that, we also have this visibility section. You can choose to keep it public or private. Then we have this reminder option where you can choose when to get reminded for this task. You can also set it on custom. And here on the notification section, you can choose between notification or email on how you want to get notified. Then click on Create Task and it will be added onto the calendar just like this. You can even click and drag on it to place it wherever you want, and it will be adjusted onto the calendar and your schedule just like this. If you have overlapping activities, it will be adjusted by Reclaim AI. So now, let's go over to the top right and click on Create. Here, you can create events, tasks, and also choose from agents. So let's go over to Agents and click on Habit. After that, you will get this agent library pop-up. From here, you can also select buffers, focus, smart meetings, and meeting quality. For now, let's select habits. And as you can see, there are many options to choose from. Go through them and choose any one that you want. For example, project coordination. So once we click on it, it will be added onto the calendar just like this. But right now, it is the default. You can click on it to make changes and drag it around to adjust the timing. Then just click on Review and Apply Changes on the bottom just like this. Then click on Apply Changes to confirm. And all the changes that you've made will be applied onto the calendar. Also, if you want to make further changes to the activity, just click on the slot on the calendar. For example, this one. After that, you get options to edit the event if you click on this edit icon. You can change the name and also make customizations using the other options. Then just click on Update. You can choose to add this change to this event or all events. So this way, you can easily keep all your activities organized and manage your time with ease. And that's it. This is the best AI time management app that's worth using right now.